Hey guys, it's Tyler here, and there's a severe thunderstorm tonight, and the lightning is mostly over there. There's a severe thunderstorm tonight, and look at all that rain, and yeah, it's gonna be thunderstorming all night. Yep, the lightning's mostly over there. And yeah, we're having a bad severe thunderstorm today. I'm doing this until on the way home. And I got home from swimming and it's really bad. And it's raining. You can hear that rain. Let me roll this up. Okay, I better close that because I have a feeling that it's going to get pretty bad. And the lightning might be hitting us, so definitely. Where's the lightning? Maybe the lightning went somewhere else, I don't know. But we're getting the lightning tonight. It's raining a little bit. It's not really raining that much, but it is raining a little bit. Yeah, I'm just doing this until we're on the way home. And, yeah. The weather's getting really bad. By the way, they renamed City Lights. Unfortunately, yeah, they renamed it Griffith Fitzsimmons South apartment homes. I don't know why. But yeah, the lightning's getting pretty bad. I wonder where the lightning is. But earlier I saw lightning outside. I wonder where it went. We're at a red light. So let's see if we see any more. Oh, where is it? Whoa, did you see that? Oh, wow. Did you see that? Hold on, let me put my thing on. Holy crap. Wow. Did you see that thunder? That was crazy. Look at that. Holy moly. There's that lightning. Dang. There's more lightning coming. Wow. Yep, the severe thunderstorm is here. It's gonna rain tonight. It's gonna rain tonight, and it's gonna rain all day tomorrow. It's gonna be non-stop lightning. Yeah, I'm gonna film in my room when I get home. Continue the film. The lightning's getting pretty bad. The rain is getting it's raining a lot. Yeah, I'm about to see City Lights. How they renamed it for some reason. Holy moly! Did you hear that?
What was that?
That was a lightning strike, I think.
I don't think it was.
Oh, you don't? I don't know what that was. Maybe it was. I don't know. That was crazy. Yeah, I'm filming the way home because I want to see if the weather gets worse on our way home. Yeah, I renamed City Lights for some unknown reason. About to see it. There it is. Down there. Here it is. They renamed it. See? Isn't that a bummer? They renamed it. I don't know why they renamed it.
Fitzsimmons South.
Yeah. But I'm still gonna move there. It's still a nice area.
He's not moving there.
What do you mean? I am moving there. So guys, see you guys later. Okay, bye. I'm gonna film when I get home. Okay. See you guys later.